Do you wish to learn mathematics through Udemy courses but prices are very high? Is that your point of concern? Or maybe you do know that Udemy courses are many times offered at discounted rates but you don't know how to avail the discount and on which dates? Then this video is for you. Keep watching. This is a very short video. In this video, I'll explain to you about my mathematics courses and how to avail the discounts for them. Hello everyone, my name is Priya. I'm an experienced mathematics tutor and also an Udemy instructor. I have two courses on Udemy, namely Mathematics Super Basics Easy Tricks and other is Geometry and Mensuration Basics and Beyond Easy Learning. I always offer these courses at a very discounted rate, and for discounts you can visit the description box or the pinned comment under this video. The whole year round you will find a discount. Along with the link, I will also mention the dates so that you know when to visit the link and when to buy the course. If you want to receive email about the discounted rates of these courses, you can mention your email address in the comment box. So whenever I offer the discount, I'll mention the discount and dates in your mail. Now let me give you look and feel of the Udemy website of these two courses. My first course, Mathematics Super Basics Easy Tricks. You can see here price is quite high, but you don't need to pay this price because the discount coupon that I have provided in the description link will give you the course at very reasonable price. And how to see the course content? Just start going below, just scroll down, just keep going down and here you will see the course content. And here you will see names of all the sections. If you want to know details about the section, just click this drop down and then you will see all the lessons inside that particular section. See, like this. So this is the whole structure of the course that you can read carefully, and also below that, this is my description. I am the instructor and whatever I am doing in Udemy, you can see everything here. All feedbacks, all reviews of the course, everything you can find here. Just keep going up and down, scroll up and down and you can study the course very carefully and then you can decide whether you wish to buy it. Similarly for my another course, Geometry and Mensuration Basics and Beyond Easy Learning. Here also you can see price is quite high, but don't worry, when you click the link given in the description box, again you will get the course at very reasonable price. To understand the content, just go below, just keep scrolling down and then you will find description and course content. Here also you can just click this drop down and see details of every section. In both courses I have provided some sample videos also, that also you can see this in the blue link that you can click and see how I have taught in both these courses. That will give you a perfect idea about the course. Now let me explain you very briefly about the contents of this course. I won't take much of your time, just a brief description so that you can decide whether you want to visit the links. The first course, Mathematics Super Basics Easy Tricks. It has the topics divisibility tests, factorization, HCF LCM, fractions and decimals, comparison of fractions, percentage, ratio and proportion, number line, negative number, positive numbers. I have taught every topic through video with very much detailed explanation. There are in all 53 video lectures. I have included lots and lots of solved examples. I have also provided practice exercises and notes along with detailed solutions. Now in every section I have included tricks as well so that if you are a competitive exam aspirant, you can save your time. So you can see all these topics form foundation of mathematics. Once you build it very strong, your confidence will be boosted 10 times. In this course also, there is a lot of emphasis on basics, but I have also covered some higher level of difficulty examples. The topics involved are: first, I will introduce to you all basic geometric figures along with their properties, and then parallel lines, area and perimeter of triangles with basic formula, along with many theorems such as Pythagoras, BPT, MPT, Apollonius, angle bisector theorem, then the properties of median, centroid, incenter, orthocenter, circumcenter, quadrilateral such as square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, their properties, area, perimeter, word problems, everything I've covered in this course. Then there will be a topic of circle, which has main parts as arc, sector, secant, chord, tangent, segment. They also have lots of theorems and lots of properties. So we have solved many examples using these theorems so that application of theorem becomes very clear. Then there are polygons, interior, exterior angles, number of diagonals, volume and surface area of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, their word problems. Topic of triangle, quadrilateral, circle. In every topic I have given very much detailed explanation, so the topic will be very clear to you. So these are two of my courses: Mathematics Super Basics Easy Tricks and Geometry and Mensuration Basics and Beyond Easy Learning. If you want to see the discounted coupons, please visit the description box as well as the pinned comment. And also if you want to have email delivered to your mailbox, then you can write your email address in the comment box so that I can send you mails whenever I create this coupon links. I'm myself an instructor, so there is no question of cheating here. I'm only creating these coupon links and I'm only the one who is offering the discount. So there is no question of cheating. You can mention your mail address in the mailbox or just visit the links that I have provided in the description box. Please share this video with your friends, family members so that they can also avail maximum discount. So let us begin our mathematical journey together. All the best, guys.